Yeah, guys, it's me again. So I will be just answering a few comments because why not? Because to be honest, this time is the first that I got so many comments. So let's just answer. They are not that many, and I will be brief because I am trying to make this video small so that you have enough attention span to watch it basically. So let's go to first comment, bro. Right now, AMD is more stable than Intel has an. So this comment is from Kayotika Ayano Koji SS1GN. Bro, you're absolutely right that Windows takes more resources, and for high computing power you should go with Linux. But the thing is, it's not about always high computing power. There are few things like one is convenience and user friendliness and wide support to new softwares. Even though Linux supports old software, but if you want to use Fusion, then you have to use Windows, bro. There is no Fusion in Linux. And don't say that, try some other alternative. I tried, bro. It's hard to learn a new software altogether, and I'm used to Fusion, so that's why my main PC that has graphic card got to be Windows. So next is from Multi Banana. I can't say that name. And he said Jedi of the Fallen Order perfectly works in Linux through Stream Proton. Learn about Proto before spreading misinformation. Yeah, you're absolutely right. But the problem is when I tried it didn't work for me. And I play game for reducing stress, bro, not for knowing increasing my blood BP. Game is a way of relaxing for me. So I like when I click and the game runs. That's about it. And I took Jedi as a Fallen Order just for reference. It was not meant to be, yeah, this is bad. No. That was not my intention. I was like, Windows supports more than I think it was 10,000 or something games at this point. I don't know exactly number. Quote me on if I am wrong, but my point is at any given day Windows will support more games than Linux. That's about it. And Ultima Shock says, who told you to buy Zebronic PC cabinet? Actually, it was my mistake on that short that I said Zebronic. It was not Zebronic. I bought Antisport Elite 110 PC. Yeah, Elite in the name doesn't mean it's Elite. It's okay case, I guess, but the main reason I bought because it came with I think four fans, and it has plenty of airflow. Like the top is cheese grade, the front is porous, and the back has also porous, and it has this PSU rack or cabinet, and the down part has also like grills so that PSU can breathe. That was it. And bro, this is my first PC build, so I didn't know that I should be looking at the small gaps in the IO shield. You should look for it. I didn't know that, bro, but now I know, and I recommend people that you should also see the gap of IO shield, how the motherboard is placed inside, whether you have gap for routing, whether you have proper space for mounting hard drive or SSD additional, because let's be honest, 4 TB is way too expensive, and in M.2 and 1 TB buying 1 TB of NVMe and 3 TB of hard drive or SATA SSD sounds more possible in the given current time. It will change in future definitely, but this is the current stat. Hello Microsoft support says pre 5556. Bro, you made a meme of me. I didn't get it, but yeah, okay, no problem, all cool, bro. And Dragon Bogodon 3450 says, sorry if I butchered your name. Well, I have only Linux on off all of my device, and amazing how it good works. I like customizing my desktop and use how many RAM resources. He uses high Hyperland, I think, and Waydroid on ARM compatibility, emulation, and how to run Polyper. Docker Steams run awesome, but you need to check if your GPU supports OpenGL, Vulkan, Mesa. Otherwise, submenu run games. See, this is one way of replying that I was wrong, partially wrong or wrong. He gave me information that I now know, and so I can correctly inform to the next guy, whoever I'm talking. And I just asked him which distro and Linux he uses. He replied with Linux Mint, and processor is Intel N4020. Sorry bro, I don't know what processor is. I will definitely research it, but it sounds interesting, I guess. And his main point, like maximizing battery life, yeah, that's if you want maximum battery life, Linux is any day and every day option, bro. So next is from Yum Silence 2009. He said backward compatibility of Linux is somewhat good, somewhat, but not good as Windows. How, bro? How? Okay, but for his defense, he gave a full reference for me. He says 97 Office work perfectly in Windows 11 bit, and this Krika 99 also significantly chance. But he also agrees that Ubuntu might run old program in it, and actually rectify, and Dragon Bogdan 3450 replied to his comment that also Windows can't run modern drivers, a lot of modern drivers slash programs. I have Windows XP which can run with Wine on Linux. About drivers, a lot of 10 years old PC cannot easily especially sound drivers, GPU and GPU main config. If you have used let's say AMD or NVIDIA old graphic card on Windows 11, bro, yeah, it's a great experience. Especially these guys who are saying backward compatibility is good, they should try definitely, like Quadro 550 maybe. You will have a good time. Try it on Windows 11, bro. You will suffer like anything. And next is my brother just giving like you gain 2 subscriber. Not exactly, but not exactly wrong. So let's leave it. Patel bhai thamaro setup gajab che. Yeah, he is making fun of me or praising me, I don't know, but anyway, thanks bro for commenting. Ayanshu Ratnadeep 1981 says this is not always sure. Arch Linux is difficult to set up for newcomer. Debian is good. See, I don't like Debian, bro. Sorry. Debian might be like easier to set up and all, but I like, if you are going for a Linux, go for Ubuntu or Linux Mint, I would say. I just don't like Debian because my experience is super bad with it, so I just don't like it. You can go with Ubuntu and Debian, Pop OS or other OSs are there as he mentioned, but Debian is not for me, bro. And I like KDE and Cinnamon and XFE flavor. If you are going for, go for the heaviest or go for the lightest. Going for something middle will always result in a catastrophe. And Rise ISO PGL says get a new case, bro. I just got this case in the timeline of 6 months. So if I replace it now, bro, what is my financial literacy, bro? I cannot do that. Yeah, after some time maybe I will do, but I am willing to cope with it for now. So my brother says in a nutshell, you should start streaming. Yeah, my brother says very clean accepted, very clean setup as expected. Bro, that thumbnail is literally the messiest setup of my, yeah, you want to make fun, you can make it. Edward Joseph X says you can get a proper case on Alibaba. Again, I have shown in shorts also that Alibaba doesn't cater to India because it's blocked in India. That's simple as it is. When are you showing sound, bro? Yeah, I will show it soon. I use Arch. Kudos to you, bro. Kudos to you. Because hopefully you can use after getting to job and all. And he says he uses XFE. Nice. Perfect balance. I use Arch. Yeah, I got 2 Arch Linux. I also used Arch for like 4 years, but now situation is a bit different. So People grew in Windows comfort zone. This guy is Sokarut. Sorry again for if I butchered your name sometimes. People grew up on Windows comfort zone. 93% of games can't run on Linux. Yes, bro. He's even brutal than me. Windows and Mac are monopoly when it comes to OS. I think he is from Europe, but for us, Windows is monopoly. For me, every OS is equal, bro. But for ease of usability, most people prefer Windows. Most companies have partnership with Apple and Microsoft. My point exactly. Even many companies doesn't allow you to use Linux even when you are in IoT development, because they have tie up with the Mac and Windows. Nah, it's all about money, baby. Why they will use Linux in enterprise and suffer? Yeah, backend is totally Linux. That's a different topic for a different video. It's a very long and cumbersome topic, and my video is already passing 12 minutes. So yeah, so I will stop for here, because the 2 video reference comment I am sharing, this is it. So if you like my ranting, please like, subscribe. We will see you around in next video. And yeah, if you have any topic to suggest, I am totally welcome, bro. Thank you.